early afternoon is here as we wrap up the final Friday of March. It is March 27th, 2026. Seeing he's here. It is 12:39 as I'm coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin, as I'm just shy of the end of the South Y. Along the CN's Barrens of Maine and milepost 129.42. And shy of milepost 353.02 with a video lined up for you. Northbound on the way that just came around the corner, just short of mile 351.97. They have an EMD to lead it. Gate drop just now starting. Let's check them out on the roll. As we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. See what we have doing the lead today. Later this afternoon, 3:43 with the 3257 will show up. C6M rebuild and -2, 3356, the U763. Wait, 757 showed up. Alright then, I didn't expect the U757 to show up. So that was the C6M rebuild of the return of the 3356. They had a little bit of issues while it was down in Junction City earlier, so I'm glad they got things sorted out before rolling again. And as you noticed, second was the Thunder Cab of the 8013. U757 71 of the 25th. Started at Jackson, Mississippi via CPKC. This will head up to North Battleford, Saskatchewan, Canada. Diesel oil empties. There's no DPU on this. Last of her already. CBTX 719 809 to bring up the last of it. That is going to do it for the U757 71 of the 25th. And we'll once again do it for the C6M rebuild of the 3356 and the Thunder Cab SD7DM-2 of the 8013. Once again, off it goes to North Battleford, Saskatchewan, Canada, since starting the journey at Jackson, Mississippi via CPKC. We'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin, as we get ready to begin the final weekend of March. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. You have a great afternoon. Have a great weekend. See you next time. I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.